This is the way the engine looks at this particular time. I just got through taking it all apart and putting these extra brackets in there, this one, and there's another one underneath to match the outside bracket here and here, and the one that goes over the top of the head when it's mounted. But you can see it's pretty close in there, and what I did was I changed the brass or the copper pipe spacer, took it out and added 2 extra nuts and put the new support on the bolt that holds the 2 halves together. And that's how it is now. It does. The next 2 pictures are the mounting bracket and the engine mounted on the bracket. I still need to have some air supply tanks and the control system for compressed air feed to the engine. And there will have to be further testing done before I make my next video. Keep tuned, and thank you for checking in.